babae na sasalita sa harapan.
Did you hear what was just said? That's discrimination. When someone is treated unfairly just because she is a woman speaking in front, that's not right. And it's not only about gender. Discrimination has many forms.
It occurs when people are judged or excluded by their race, religion, sexual orientation, disabilities, or even how they look. Instead of being treated them with respect, they are unfairly criticized them and laughed at.
What most people don't realize is that discrimination isn't just a simple insult or joke. It can deeply hurt someone's confidence, affect their mental health, and make them feel like they don't belong. And the more it happens, the more it divides our communities.
That's why we need to stand up against it,
Because everyone deserves a fairness, dignity, and respect.
both in person and in the online.
This is why we started our advocacy to say that enough is enough. Through this campaign, we want to share or raise awareness and educate others and encourage everybody to stand up against discrimination.
We want people to realize that a single post, a single comment, or a single share can either lift someone up or destroy them. To make this possible, our campaign will focus on three main themes: prevention, safety, and awareness.
Prevention. Reminding online users, especially young people, to be respectful and responsible on social media. Safety. Promoting privacy settings, reporting tools, and seeking help when facing threats or harassment. Awareness. Spreading our advocacy through posts, infographics, and short videos to reach more people.
By doing all of this, we hope to lessen the number of people who experience discrimination through online.
Our goal is not only to protect who are being targeted, but to encourage everyone to stand up against discrimination.
Together, we can create a digital space where people feel
Safe, valued,
and respected, no matter who they are. Hashtag stop online discrimination. Hashtag equality for everyone. Ayun, and respected, no matter who they are.
Tayo